until now, the year 2021, I made no withdrawals. The year 2022, let me show you quickly, 4,319.61 euros that I've withdrawn into my Luno account from there into my personal bank account. Well, hi there and welcome to another video. I appreciate you and thank you for watching. Before we get started, this video is going to be all about how to withdraw in Yieldnodes. I'm going to take you step by step and show you what you need to do in order to make a withdrawal. Now, dependent on where you are, I'm not sure where you're watching from. I'm based in South Africa, so I use Luno to receive my Bitcoin and then to do the transaction or the exchange, and then I move it from there over to my personal bank account where I can physically draw the money or do whatever I want to do with the money. So let me quickly show you guys. I'm in my dashboard, as you can see, Yieldnodes, Errol, Muller, and then if you head over to the, okay, so the dashboard, currently I've got 7,338 euros and 63 cents. That is currently masternoding for me. And if I head over to the reports tab, you will see that for the year 2021, I've made absolutely zero withdrawals. And then I started withdrawing in the year of 2022. There's a reason for that. So I'm doing monthly withdrawals now to create a passive income. And I have currently withdrawn 4,319 euros and 61 cents, as you can see. Now, let me walk you quickly through this step by step. And if you would like to get hold and become part of Yieldnodes, I am going to have to refer you. And the way to get started with this is you will have to head over to my website, go over to the investments tab, click on investments. Yieldnodes is not an investment, it's a server rental program, it's masternoding. Then what you want to do is, as you can see, Yieldnodes, you want to enter your email address and then click the show me button. It will automatically redirect you to Yieldnodes in order to create yourself a free account, and then from there you can make deposits. Just a question. Have you ever thought of making a passive income every single month whereby you can add to your, call it your income, depending on what amount you are investing? Let's say you earn $10,000 a month, or 10,000 euros, or 5,000 euros, $5,000, and you would like to add another $1,000 or 1,000 euros to that. How would that change your life? Would that be beneficial for you? I'm asking you because I really want to help you and I want to share knowledge with you. And then back to this. This is my website. I created this website to share with you knowledge for you to create passive income, multiple streams of income. Whether you want to withdraw it monthly, or you want to withdraw annually, or you want to just retire in the next 15 years, 10 years, I don't know, depending on how much money you're willing to invest in and get all of it going. Once you understand this whole multiple sources of income, if you have been following me for a while, and you actually physically like all my videos, please like this video. I'm asking you, please like this video, because I want this to rank as quickly and as high as possible within the search engines to help similar individuals like yourself searching how to withdraw in Yieldnodes or just how to make passive income online. I want them to discover this as well. So ask yourself that question. How would that change your life? What would an extra $1,000 passive income do to your current budget, your current spending? And not just that, what if you had to do this, invest for like 3 to 5 years, and all of a sudden you only live off the passive income. You don't have a day job anymore. The nice thing about this is you can set all of this up while having a day job. That's the most brilliant thing about this. So then again, the reason you came to this video, besides liking this video, is for me to show you how to withdraw in Yieldnodes. So let's head over to, that's the dashboard. I showed you my withdrawals. I'm going to head over to the withdrawal tab. And then what you want to do is on the withdrawal tab, by the time of you watching this video, hopefully nothing has changed. You can then select, you will see here, it says enter withdrawal amount in euro and wallet for withdrawal. Now for mine, it's already linked up. It's sent to Luno, so I know automatically if I withdraw, call it 4,000 euros or 2,000 euros, it's automatically going to send it to my Luno account. And keeping in mind, I'm sending Bitcoin. So with Bitcoin, it will always arrive on the 8th day of the next month. But I have to withdraw before the 15th of the current month. So I have to make a withdrawal before the 15th of August. Then I will receive it in my Luno account the 8th of September. As soon as I receive it, I sell it in my Luno and then I transfer it to my personal bank account. That is how I make passive income with this. So then what you would do is you would select your account or your wallet, and then you would enter the amount that you would like to withdraw, and then you will withdraw. Now, if you do not have a wallet set up yet, you would want to go to Manage Withdrawal Wallets. My bottom section is completely blurred. Reason being, my wallet address is there. Very important. I'm not going to share my Bitcoin wallet with you, my address. So that is why it's blurred out at the bottom. But what you want to do is you can select where you want to withdraw. Do you want to withdraw, or what crypto do you want to withdraw in? Is it SAP? Is it going to be Bitcoin? Or is it going to be the USDT for a more stable currency? Call it stable cryptocurrency, whatever. Then your wallet title, I called mine Withdrawal to Luno because that's exactly where I'm sending my money to. If you want to check out Luno, I'm not sure if it's available in all countries within the world. If you want to check it out, you can head over to my website. I'll show you now where. Then you can enter your title, and then you want to go over, you want to take wherever you're sending the funds to, you want to create a receiving wallet within that crypto app or crypto platform that you use. So within Luno, I set up a receiving crypto wallet from Yieldnodes. Then as soon as you create that receiving wallet, it will generate a Bitcoin wallet for you, a Bitcoin address. Then you want to take that Bitcoin address in Luno or your app, and you want to enter it right here. And then you want to say add wallet. So once you've added the wallet, every time you go back, so let's exit here, and then you select that wallet that you've created, then it will automatically just send it to that wallet. No need to do it over and over again. You just make the withdrawals automatically. Now let me show you how you can get a hold of Luno. So back to my website, you want to head over to investments and then crypto platforms. I call it crypto platforms. Under crypto platforms, you will see Luno. You can just click on the show me. It will take you over to Luno to create yourself an account. Or you can, if you want to buy more crypto and invest in other cryptocurrencies, I do have a lot of cryptos with crypto.com. Then you can click the show me there as well. So yes, that's it. It's all about multiple sources of income. Once again, please give this video a like. I appreciate all of you watching these videos, and the ones of you commenting below these videos. Please let me know what you would like for me to create for you in the future. What type of video? I would really appreciate that. It makes it worthwhile for me to create these videos for you. Once again, thank you. I appreciate you. May you have a blessed and a wonderful, financially successful, healthy, wealthy life going forward. See you in my next video.